Power cuts? No internet? Let's fix that today. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out a super useful gadget, the SKE PoE-36E-LFP 20000 mAh Mini UPS. This is a compact but powerful backup solution designed to keep your Wi-Fi router, ONU, or CCTV running during power outages. Let's unbox it and see what you actually get. Alright, opening it up, here's everything inside the box. First, we've got the Mini UPS unit itself, a power cable for charging, 2 DCY cables for connecting multiple devices, and the user manual. Nice and simple. Everything you need to get started right away. Now, let's take a closer look at the main unit. It's surprisingly compact and lightweight, so you can easily place it anywhere near your router setup. The build feels solid with a clean matte black finish. On the front, you get multiple output options, 5 volts, 9 volts, and 12 volts. That means it works with most routers, ONUs, and other DC-powered devices. You also get LED indicators that show power status, charging, and battery level. Inside, it packs a massive 20000 mAh lithium iron phosphate battery. This type of battery is safer, more stable, and lasts much longer, with over 2,000 charge cycles. In real-world use, you can expect around 5 to 6 hours of backup for a standard Wi-Fi router. It also includes intelligent power switching, along with protection against overcharge, overload, and short circuits, so your devices stay safe while running continuously. Setup is very simple. Just connect your router using the DC cable, plug in the UPS, and it will automatically take over during a power outage. So that's the unboxing of the SKE PoE-36E-LFP Mini UPS. If you're tired of losing internet during power cuts, this is definitely something worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.